Welcome to the video on how to create an engaging message. The very first question you have to ask yourself before defining your message is what sets you apart from the competition? You need to be clear about what you offer and what you can do for your guests. An example on an advertisement made without listening to the needs of the customer could be your logo or a photo of the facade of a historical house. How many advertisements have you seen where, when removing the name and logo, you're unable to understand what is it? You have to define exactly your unique selling proposition. The genesis of USP is due to the advertising theory developed in the 1940s by Russell Reeves, according to which advertising must offer the consumer a logical reason to buy the product, and this reason must distinguish the product from its competitors. There is no one-size-fits-all formula for creating a USP, but there are some key steps you can take to develop an effective USP for your business. Define your target market. Find out what benefits your target customers are looking for. Identify what makes your product or service unique. Identify your competition, what they are offering, how your service differs, and which marketing messages are working for other brands. Position your USP to highlight benefits. Show your customers they'll have benefits buying your product or service. Make your USP clear and concise. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Test and revise your USP. Make sure it is working and iterate as needed or test new ideas. Promote your USP. Get the word out there about what makes you different. A small market analysis can be useful to know what our target market wants, but in the absence of large budgets, we can use tools such as Amazon or eBay or Google Trends to observe the trending products. Google AdWords, a keyword planner, or the meta search forums to find out what travelers' most popular questions are. Let's have a look now on how to structure an offer once the target market has been identified. The elements that must define the offer are those that will make it unmissable and will perceive its value. You have to leverage those to create a captivating message. In fact, email headlines, website, newsletters are definitely worth using. Understanding your target market is essential to then create a message that leverages the emotions of that market, understanding what it wants, what its desires are, and what language it responds to. Take a moment to read these headlines and think about the emotions they are targeting. On our journey to discover the marketing plan, we are now exploring the so-called during stage, the lead. The lead is an individual or an organization that has shown interest in your service by replying to your message. Now, you have to make sure to convince them to make the first purchase, trying to create a relationship of trust that may last over time. The purchase does not necessarily happen immediately, so it is important that you not consider your message as a tool to sell your product immediately, but a tool to capture the attention of a potential customer. Once they have replied to your message, you need to create a database of customers. The database is a fundamental tool for customer relationship management and your ally in marketing. Customer relationship management is built over time. Single follow-up message is not enough. Many are needed. Finally, you will receive the first purchase and hopefully the lead becomes one of your fans. Every marketing action, in addition to needing to reach the right people, also needs to reach them at the right time. To enable this, it is necessary that marketing action occur regularly. A marketing calendar is a schedule of all the marketing activities planned for the foreseeable future, a tool for planning and organizing your marketing projects. Here you can find some examples of activities to do daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. journey through the marketing plan ends with the after stage. On this stage, we define what is called the customer lifetime value. The CLV is the value of a customer for a company over the entire duration of their relationship. This metric is extremely relevant, as in most cases, it is cheaper to maintain existing relationships with customers rather than acquire new ones. CLV can be measured by following these steps you can see listed here. Identify the touch points where the customer creates value. Integrate logs to create an accurate customer journey. Measure profits at each single point of contact. Update the data for the duration of the relationships with the customer. So the formula for the CLV is customer-generated profits minus acquisition costs and costs of the service provided for the customer. See you in the next video.